In this video, I will show you how to make custom route on Google Maps. So first of all, let's open Google Maps. Then go to directions. Then choose a start location and destination. For example, we have to go from Nottingham to London. It will show you various routes, or you could choose the quickest one. Now let's suppose we also have to go to Oxford. So for that, we will go to add stops. Then in the search bar, we will search for Oxford. Then we click the three dots in the top right corner. Then click on edit stops. Now we can choose the order of the stops, whether we want to go to London first or Oxford. Click and hold on the two horizontal lines and you can arrange the order of the stop as you like. Then press done. Now it will give you the custom route exactly like you want it. If you think this video was helpful, like, share, subscribe and leave us a comment down below. Thank you.